Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and this is Pam. Since we are not going anywhere, so why do we create any soft look? So I thought of creating something fun look. So this is my watermelon look and this is for my Instagram feed. So let's get started. So first I concealed my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have used the palette from Beauty Glazed Your Shades Eyeshadow tray, and it has amazing colors from warm tone to nude, and I have used the green and the red shades. There are light green and there is one red shade. That's because the watermelon color is the same. Then I'm using this white kajal from M&M. I got this from Amazon, and this just to highlight the color between the green and the red. So it's not very pigmented right on top of this palette, but I just tried to create, to show the highlight that I have used two colors. Then I'm using this Nika's Wing in a Blink eyeliner, which is eyeliner on one end and the stamp on the other, but I'm not using the stamp. I'm just trying to create a thin wing liner. After that, with the same pen, I'm doing dots for the watermelon seeds. So not lot, just 4 to 5 dots on each eyes. And ye kya kar rahi hu? Okay, I was just drawing my eyeliner in between, because obviously hum फूक तो नहीं मार सकते आँखों को. So then the lower eyes I have used the red color as shown in the video. Then I'm using my favorite highlighter from Maybelline. Using this in my inner corners of both my eyes, and as well just highlighting the eyebrows. Here I'm using a foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm sorry I didn't show you the shade here. So here I'm using the foundation and blending it with my foundation brush, and this brush is really amazing. It's very soft bristles. I bought this from Sephora Mall. Now I'm using the lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick in the shade 08 Smoking Sienna. It's a beautiful brick red kind of shade, and it's not very dark, dark shade. It's very light on your lips. So I'm just wiping it with the foundation, and then I'm using my favorite blush from L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush Neutral, and highlighting my cheekbones and forehead, my nose and with the Maybelline Master Glow, my favorite highlighter. So I'm just using my fingers to apply it. And so here I am done with the look and just giving little posture for my Instagram feed. And यहाँ पे देखो कौन आया. तरह से नज़र थी मेरे वाटरमेलन पे। सो इसका जो बीज है मैं सब निकाल रही हूँ, बिकॉज वी शुड नॉट गिव द वाटरमेलन सीड्स टू द डॉग। सो bye. And I hope you like this look, watermelon look. अगर आपने ये watermelon look create किया है, so please do share this in your Instagram and tag me on your Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, and you can also subscribe his channel. His another channel is just chill my dog, and that's another YouTube channel, or my second YouTube channel. So please subscribe. You can see lots of funny moments and video of my dog Jam. So please do follow us and subscribe my channel Pam Station, as well as just chill my dog. And if you create this look, please do share it on your Instagram stories and tag me also. I will share it on my stories. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.